Yo, 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 yo!
I'm out of fuel!
Hey!
What happened?
No gas, nowhere to refill.
Huh?
There's no gas station here. I think we need help.
5 minutes later.
Hey!
Our mission is to help that semi-truck.
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Doggy, let's welcome and ride.
Go, go, go!
Amazing.
Easy, gotcha.
This could happen again! We need to build a new road connecting to the nearest gas station.
That will help everyone.
We need backup!
1 hour later.
Here we go!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Yeah.
Hooray! Come on, you can do it!
Full tank!
Bye, have a great time! Hey! Worth it!
No more running out of gas. Good planning prevents future problems.
Rev your engines! The cars are lined up for an epic race! Subscribe and stay tuned for more thrilling adventures and endless fun! Looks like Lightning McQueen is in the lead! Be careful, Mr. McQueen! You better slow down! Uh-oh, McQueen has a headache! Told you to be careful! No! Bridge is a goner, and the yellow car's stuck. What are they gonna do about this mess?
Help me!
Down goes the yellow car. Racing sure can be dangerous.
Oh no!
What's going on?
Stop! Dangerous ahead!
Uh-oh! Another car took a tumble down the hole. And another one. We've got to do something about this. Quick!
There's an accident here. We need help.
The helicopter's on the scene. Let's lend a hand and help them out.
Oh yeah!
Nice and steady now. We've got a serious accident on our hands.
Thank you, baby.
Haha! No romance in the air. Helicopter's staying focused. Now, back to saving those cars.
Thank you.
Okay.
We must fix the bridge.
Okay.
All right, let's join forces and patch up this bridge. Teamwork makes the dream work. Time to raid the Lego stash. We need those colorful bricks to work our magic. First things first, let's bid farewell to the wrecked bridge. Bye-bye, old buddy. Gotta line up those Lego bricks just right. Easy does it, careful hands, and we'll have ourselves a top-notch bridge in no time. Check out our masterpiece, a beautiful, better-than-ever bridge. Go team! Our cars can chill and cruise without any worries. Smooth rides from here on out!
What a beautiful princess pink car! What's her story? Subscribe and stay tuned to find out the enchanting tale! Mr. McQueen, so rude! That's no way to treat a lady! Time for a lesson in chivalry, perhaps?
What's going on?
You dirty your bow tie.
I'm sorry.
The bow tie is there!
I will finish third to get the bow tie for you.
Rev your engines! Get ready for a fantastic race filled with speed, twists, and surprises.
Ready? Go!
Too bad we don't have a bonus start, but don't worry. Mr. McQueen will catch up in no time. It's all about the thrill of the chase.
Yeah!
There's our first obstacle. Get it, McQueen. Navigate through and show him your racing prowess.
Oh my god.
What should I do now?
I guess swimming across is another way, but it doesn't look cool at all. Clever, McQueen, but you better hurry up. You're losing already. Time to kick it into high gear. Chilling, McQueen, on a leaf? Well, at least he's trying. Creative approaches to racing, right? Here's our second obstacle, the biggest sand dunes. How will McQueen tackle this challenging terrain? Let's see those wheels in action.
Uh-oh! This mountain is too high.
Come on, McQueen. It's not even that hard. Show those sand dunes who's boss with your racing finesse. Now we're talking. Time to put the pedal to the metal and leave the competition in the dust. Full speed ahead. That's gotta hurt, but don't give up. You can do it, McQueen. Dust yourself off and get back in the race.
I can do it.
Look at him go! That's awesome! McQueen is showing us some serious racing magic. place. Good game, McQueen, but you missed that bow. The monster trucks are causing a rumble on the Rainbow Bridge. Will it hold up under their weight? Stay tuned to find out what happens next.
What is going on? Oh no! Earthquake.
Quick, someone clear the way.
Hey, calm down.
Hey, stop.
Oh no! The Rainbow Bridge has crumbled. We need the rescue team to come and save the day.
I will call someone to help.
Let's go.
The helicopter and transport truck are on their way. Stay calm, everyone.
Oh my god, it's terrible. Let me help you.
All right, buckle up, everyone. The helicopter is swooping in for a
Me
rescue
first.
mission. Hold on tight. It's going to be an epic liftoff. Get ready for a smooth ride, cars. Our trusty transport truck is here to take you to the repair station. No bumps on this journey. Alrighty, cars and trucks, let's roll into the repair station and erase those scratches.
We have to repair the bridge.
Okay, let's go.
Let's construct a vibrant rainbow bridge as a tribute to the incredible unity, strength, and teamwork showcased by our heroic rescue team. Our helicopter friends truly showcase their swift and efficient rescue skills. Hats off to our dedicated police truck. He's not just maintaining law and order, but also contributing to the reconstruction efforts. Let's stack these colorful Lego blocks skillfully to create a solid and vibrant base for our rainbow bridge. Success indeed! A big thank you to everyone! Whoa! That dinosaur looks so angry! Look how it's knocking down all the trees! Here comes the police! They're trying to stop the dinosaur! Safety first! Nice shot! The dinosaur is down! Let's put it somewhere safe! Good job!
all done.
The police
It's
set up a
secured now.
fence. Remember, fences keep us safe! Don't cross them! Uh-oh! The red and yellow cars found the cave. I hope they stay out.
What's in there? Should we check it out?
No way. That looks dangerous.
It'll be fine. Let's take a look.
Oh
Ouch.
no!
That
The
hurt.
red car
Maybe we
broke
should
the
just
rules
leave it
and
alone.
hit the fence.
No, I
That's
got
not
this.
safe.
Help me! Help me!
Oh no. What do I do?
Oh my god.
Poor yellow car. Curiosity can be risky if we ignore warnings.
Dinosaur, I need to get help.
Good job, Pink
Help us.
Car!
The dinosaur has captured
When
red and yellow
someone's in
cars.
trouble, call for help right away! Oh no! The dinosaur is even stronger now! We need more help!
It's too strong. I need your help.
Okay, let's go.
Here comes the rescue team! Working together makes us stronger. Yes! Teamwork saved the day. Look at them working together to stop the dinosaur. Yay! Everyone's safe now. Helping friends in need is always the right thing to do.
We're safe, thank you. Thank you.
See? The fence is back up. Remember, rules are there to protect us.
Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink.
Remember, do not be curious or enter areas marked as dangerous.
It was a beautiful day, and the dinosaur was sleeping peacefully until 3 noisy McQueens came to ruin his nap.
Hey, get out!
The dinosaur roared in anger, but no matter how loud he got, the cars just wouldn't leave.
Huh? Help! Help! Help!
Oh no! The furious dinosaur crushed the yellow car, and the others fled in fear.
Avoid, avoid. Oh no, where? Okay, I'm come right way. Oh no, what's going on? Help, help, please.
The dinosaur broke the road, causing the train to crash. Remember, never damage public places.
Yahoo! Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I need your help.
The rescue mission is complete. Now it's time to fix the broken road.
Stop!
Hey, please add sand and cement.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see what fun comes next. Let's pour the cement and fill up that big hole together.
Next, let me...
The roller and the truck are working hard. Remember, kids, hard work is something to be proud of.
Wow!
Now let's install the tracks to make a special lane just for the train. The traffic light turns red. Remember, kids, always stop at red lights to stay safe.
Think about the consequences before acting.